I check it like you read Singh bowling it, yeah? I really don't mind.
You hit me once, I hit you back.
He's bowling like my Auntie Annie when she'd had too much sherry to drink.
Played over my head, then I set fire.
मैंने कहा बेटा बेटा होता है और बाप बाप होता है.
And welcome to Pie Checkers Cricket Podcast. This is Vivek, and I am joined with my fellow Pie Checkers, Sai, Shivam, and Sumer. Welcome, guys. After a long time, four of us. India का त्योहार वापस आ गया है. 14th edition of IPL starts on 9th April, goes on till 30th of April. There are 60 matches to be played across 6 venues with no home advantage. Guys, coming back to what is in store for us today, we are all putting our heads together to identify the probable top fours for the playoffs in no particular order. So how is it going to play out? So there are 8 teams. Each of us have been assigned 2 teams. The assigned person is going to talk on the strengths, weakness, who are going to be the must-haves or utility players from a fantasy perspective, and their verdict on if the team is a buy or a sell. Buy means they predict that the team will finish in the top 4, and sell obviously bottom 4. So to begin, who is it going to start?
Let's look at the new team of this year.
Punjab Kings.
Yeah.
I had to think about it for a second. Yeah. So what was the story of Punjab Kings last year? Essentially, they have this dynamic opening partnership between KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal. Then they had Chris Gayle, Nicholas Puran. And then they spent a lot of money on some fast bowlers from abroad. Okay. And, and then they had Maxi, okay, who was supposed to be the finisher. So Maxi didn't do anything. Their expensive Sheldon Cottrell buy and everything didn't do anything. So how did they address those issues this year? So they went and they bought 2 Aussie fast bowlers, Jai Richardson and Riley Meredith. Different type of fast bowlers. Richardson has been played quite a bit for Australia as well in the past. Good bowlers, but what about the batting? Well, you have KL Rahul, you still have Mayank Agarwal, and you still have Chris Gayle. And then they said, hey, let's go buy another anchor. Because every team needs an anchor like CSK, and they went and spent some money on David Malan, the top number 1 T20 batsman in the world. So apart from this top 4 with Puran, they don't really have anyone of repute coming in. They've got rid of Maxi, and he didn't do anything anyways last year. So again, the dependence is on that top 3 or 4. One of their biggest issues last year was that they would snatch defeat from the jaws of victory. Every time you feel that they're on track to win, KL Rahul suddenly slows down his batting. He goes into his shell. He forgets that he's playing a T20 match, and the entire innings loses its momentum. So as per Wasim Jaffer, this year things are going to be different, but I don't see it because I don't see who is there in that middle order to kind of to bridge the top order's performance and end with a strong finish. I'm not convinced about that. And looking at how KL Rahul batted in the T20s, I think he's a guy he rode that crest where he was amazing. I guess he had an average of a strike rate of over 150 in just the 2018 IPL, and now it's just constantly declined since then. He's looking at, I think in the last 2 years he was sub 130 strike rate last year, which is not what you expect from someone who's supposed to be your aggressive enforcer at the top of the order. And Mayank Agarwal also, he was in good hitting form last year, but in the end he ends up being an anchor too if he bats through the entire innings. So I'm not 100% sure how this team is drastically better. But what's good about this team? I like Nicholas Puran. He's been improving every year. So hopefully he picks up again this year. And I like the 2 leg spinners. So last year, the M. Ashwin and Bishnoi were actually very good wicket-taking options, and Bishnoi bowled a lot in the power play as well. So pretty impressive. They have 2 fast bowlers. Hey, they've got raw pace now. So let's see how that works out. I'm not sure. They are playing 5 matches in Bangalore, so they're probably going to need those pace selections to really hit, because if their spinners get hit, it's a small part, the ball flies, and if their pacers don't stand up, then I think then that they're going to be a rubbish team again. So for me, overall, it's a sell.
Yeah, for me as well, it's a sell. Yeah, the fact is, as you pointed out, Sai, they have good anchors to start the innings, but really nobody to carry it and win these matches, right? So they're batting overall. They don't have a lot of firepower, if I may call it that. Yeah, they have Nicholas Pooran, who can hit a lot. And you pointed out they have 5 games in Bangalore, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 5 games in Bangalore. That means that it's a lot of hitting. You will have to score a lot of runs. Who will score so many of those runs? Their bowling is okay, but I would still sell them. I don't think they're going to win many matches with that kind of a batting.
Yeah.
I am confused. I said I'll come back because of Punjab to SRH. No, I'm confused.
So let me put this in perspective for you while you're thinking about it, okay?
Yeah.
After your top 4, which is some combination of Rahul, Gale, or / Malan, Pooran, and Agarwal, your options are Shah Rukh Khan, star value there, Sarfaraz Khan,
Mandeep
Singh,
Deepak Hooda. I can go on. I think there's Prabhsimran Singh as well. So you have your
bowling. I think they have Shami, right?
Yeah, they have Shami.
Shami. They have
Shami, 2 Aussie pacers.
again. You said Riley Meredith and Jai. वो experience नहीं है.
Arshdeep Singh.
I'll probably sell. Yeah, अभी experience नहीं है, but they could still ruffle a few feathers. I think.
मेरेडिथ तो खेला ही नहीं है, वो तो सब कॉन्टिनेंट कोई भी नहीं खेला ना, श्रीलंका और बाकी भी कहीं नहीं खेला.
हाँ, वही.
Unknown quantity
and he's a back of the length bowler.
Hard length.
Yeah, length bowler who's trying to get it into your ribs and your face.
पिटेगा वो छोटे ग्राउंड से पिटेगा.
It's a sell for me. It's a tight sell and buy between SRH and this for me, but yeah, it's a sell for me. Punjab.
So for me, like you said, Shami he did well last year. Apart from that, the only guy who did relatively well was Bishnoi.
Yeah,
apart
very
from
well.
that, death bowling में कौन bowling करेगा भाई? बहुत
Jordan?
difficult है. He's like a guarantee 17 or 18 runs over 19.
तुम ऊपर मलान और उसको या गेल या पूरन खिला लोगे तो नीचे किस-किसको खिलाओगे यार? Jordan, Riley,
I don't
Jai.
see Malan playing. Like, I guess it's either Gale or Malan.
Yeah. So 2 out of these 3, I think.
Fabian Allen को भूल मत जाना. They might also at some point try.
मुझे नहीं लगता वो खेलेगा.
कौन?
Fabian Allen.
He's actually pretty highly rated in the other leagues. He's supposed to be a big hitter.
Because he can also bowl. Yeah,
but like his bowling is. I don't think it's going to be a difference maker in bowling in some left arm spinner bowling in Bangalore pitches.
Yeah.
उससे अच्छा गेल से करा लो यार. So what's it for you, Khare?
Sell.
पंजाब भी बिक गई भाई. बची
मुंबई वो जीत जाएंगे यार. खत्म करते हैं.
At least tell us something about Mumbai.
No, I think let me start with this. I think their not so good point about this year is that they're playing a lot of games in Chennai and Delhi. Chennai is, of course, you need very good spinners. You need, and so is Delhi. It's sluggish. You need some cutters and also spinners. So I'd start with this. So they don't have a lot of backup to Rahul Chahar. Okay, they have a specialist spinner, Rahul Chahar, and if he doesn't, somehow play, he gets injured, then they have Piyush Chawla. That is the only thing that I can tell you about.
No foreign spinner.
They might. They don't have any foreign spinner.
Why would anybody invest in foreign spinner if your name?
Yeah, they don't have any foreign spinner.
Yeah, but this is an interesting thing.
They have Jimmy Nesham this year. If you want to play him,
playing in Delhi and Chennai,
They have Krunal Pandya.
Whatever.
Yeah, I mean, he will obviously play. He'll obviously play, but
And Jayant
he's.
Yadav?
हाँ,
Well,
Jayant
I
Yadav.
don't think they will. I mean, he's not a spinner. He is just, as
A bowler.
as Fabian
What are
Allen
you
is a
talking
spinner.
about, man? No, Jayant Yadav is a good spinner. All right.
Okay.
You're just pulling things here and there. Let me tell you, this is the same bloody argument which we had last year. Is that Mumbai, we are playing now in UAE, all the pitches are slow and sluggish,
No, I
and they
said
only have
if-
these two spinners,
if Rahul
and they're
Chahar-
not going to do well.
If
But
Rahul
वो
Chahar,
sluggish
Same
नहीं
argument
थे.
last year also.
But-
Rahul Chahar,
but-
if he gets injured,
But UAE sluggish नहीं था. Everything changed that.
yeah, I agree with you.
All I'm saying
look,
is they will win the
I'm saying
tournament.
that their spinners were good enough. That's what I'm
If
saying. They just
I
need to be
said-
good enough. That's all.
Correct. They are good enough. I was saying if Rahul Chahar somehow doesn't play, then they have a problem. That's all I'm trying to say. Because they have a lot of games in.
If tomorrow Virat Kohli doesn't play, RCB also has a problem. So
Yeah, but
Okay.
problem वही है ना, वो you Bolt और तुम्हें बुमराह कुछ मतलब स्पिनर को ज्यादा करने को
They
देंगे
won't
नहीं ना.
give you so much. So let me then talk about the team. I'm they have great balance. These three guys, Krunal Pandya, Hardik Pandya, and Kiran Pollard in the middle. They give them a lot of depth to try different other bowlers. So they have the luxury of playing either Adam Milne or NCN and play Trent Bolt as well, along with Bumrah. So that's the kind of depth that they have, because also and they will play QDK as a wicket-keeper batsman.
They have Ishan Kishan.
They have Ishan Kishan and Sky,
Surya Kumar Yadav, Rohit
and they have
Sharma.
Sky. So that's the balance that they have. They have exceptional pacers, great hitters in the shape of Hardik Pandya, Kieron Pollard, and also Krunal Pandya now. You see how he played in this last game that he played against England. So we've seen him play in the IPL, but he's also shown that he can play at the big level as well. Then they have like great bowlers. They have Jasprit Bumrah. They have Trent Bolt, who plays great in the power plays. They could now play either of the two, Adam Milne or NCN. So they have a lot of stuff there along with Rahul Chahar. The only thing then is that I wouldn't even say this now. It's okay. They have a lot of firepower. I think they look like they should win every match. On paper they look like they should beat every side that we just discussed, the last 7 sides that we discussed. If you were to take for fantasy sake players, I think I would always pick Hardik Pandya. I'd pick De Kock. I'd pick Bumrah, and
pick all their 11 no.
and you're right.
Reserve भी खिला लो, Jimmy Neesham भी खिला लो.
No, not Jimmy Neesham. He gets hit a lot. I'd rather pick Ishan Kishan as a utility player.
So it's a sell for you?
I think I started with saying that they'll win the tournament.
No, you started with saying their spinners are bad.
Chahar बेकार है, backup
Chahar will get
नहीं है.
injured, then game is over.
it's a
Nobody
bad.
expected you to start like that on MI.
Well, what I was trying to say was, if I was to, for example, be a devil's advocate,
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no,
Yeah,
we got it. But
I agree with you on that, to be honest. But yeah.
no. Look, if that is their only weakness, there's no doubt about it.
so this is a forced
But
weakness, if I may call it that.
My point is that team is good enough to get to the playoffs. And now you go to Ahmedabad. I mean, if big grounds, so your spinners to some extent can
Yeah.
be insulated, perhaps.
Yeah.
But this team, that batting lineup is perhaps the
Very.
best batting lineup in any
In the
level
world.
of cricket
In the world.
T20. Yeah, across international teams in any time period before. So it's fun to watch. So I'm looking forward to seeing them bat, and I'm looking forward to Rahul Chahar getting injured and then the whole thing being derailed.
It's a buy?
It's a bye, man.
Yeah, buy for me as well. And you know what? One thing important we're forgetting, very good captain.
Yeah.
Very good
captain. Yeah, very good
Yeah,
captain.
Some of those other teams have question marks. Like Sanju Samson, nobody knows what he's going to do.
Rishabh Pant kya?
Nobody knows what he's going to do.
No, I think Rishabh Pant will do well.
KL Rahul, though, as captain, only used to kill their innings, so we don't know what's going to happen.
Virat Kohli?
Well,
International
one.
captain.
Okay.
And I think मुंबई के साथ ये भी है कि they know how to build a team or keep a team. Like unlike Bangalore, कि मतलब कि हाँ भाई अच्छा नहीं किया, इसको फेंक दो, इसको फेंक दो, इसको फेंक दो, इसको ले लो. Bangalore is totally Mumbai is totally opposite. They know how to build a team. यार आप उनका अगर core team देखोगे, it has been consistent for like last decade. Rohit, Blood, Bumrah, all these guys, Krunal,
Hey,
Hardik,
they have
Sky.
bought
They have been
this guy Marco Janssen.
Marco
Or-
Janssen, yeah.
Yeah. So
वो है
Dude,
वो
they
South
forgot
Africa.
about Arjun Tendulkar. They bought him too.
oh yeah. They
Did
bought
he play a
Arjun
game?
Tendulkar.
Somewhere will pick him in fantasy. Arjun खेलेगा.
Yeah.
And the
No,
other
but,
thing,
adding to what you were saying, so the team building thing, that's the main message. So they know really how to carry on with the players and then pick the right ones. That's why I said
And
this Marco
they've developed
Janssen.
them so much कि वो इंडिया के लिए खेल रहे हैं यार. I mean,
Yeah,
Ishan and Sky.
You know, it's become the finishing, like the finishing academy for or for
India. Yeah.
Yeah, like the amount of
Feeder
talent
system.
generated
Hey,
from them.
Don't kill me for this. Even Rahul Chahar, man, he
Yeah.
few years back he was not a
Yeah.
bowler that he was last year, right?
Yeah, I was
He's
surprised
matured.
when they picked him as a spinner and they played him
He
ahead of.
looks better than Chahal, yeah.
Yeah.
definitely.
You know, I think they're the template for what all these other teams, now that they're going to blow up the teams again with an auction, there's going to be some opportunities to, like find your Gautam Gambhir, so to speak, the next guy or build a new culture, build a new team philosophy. So this IPL is going to be fun, but I think I'm looking forward to seeing who's going to be the big names to watch out for next year.
I think all 4 buys for Mumbai. So I think where we've ended up is last year. I think it was closer, but there were a couple of teams that were close here and there. But this year, I think KKR, SRH, DC, and MI. These 4 are clear. All 4 buys.
The reason is that because we're in India, we know more about these pitches now. Then a lot of why we got derailed last year was also because of the pitches.
So you think RCB and Punjab won't make it?
I'll tell you,
will see.
Even now the pitches can do anything. We are just saying
Yeah.
oh, this pitch is going to do this.
CSK sluggish इसलिए होता था Chennai because it was CSK's home ground. It may not be sluggish.
Once upon a time, KKR was sluggish.
Yeah, it is now been bouncy. And Chennai track for that England first test match was flat.
Yeah.
So you never know.
Okay.
As long as you don't have that same first match curator, huh?
Yeah. I think 4 clear winners for us are KKR, SRH, DC, MI, correct?
So who's going to play the final against MI?
Against MI.
On paper, for me, it has to be DC, just on paper.
Yeah, looks like it.
But I don't know how Pant as captain will work out. So.
Yeah, I think either DC or SRH.
I'll go with SRH.
Of course, you'll go with SRH.
That would
I
be
think
fun.
it's going to MI versus SRH final this time.
That would be great.
अगर सारे सब लोग fit रहे तो मतलब SRH की जो present team है सारे fit रहे, I think it's going to
be fun.
go the distance.
Yeah.
Great.
And with that, it's a wrap for this episode. Do let us know if you agree with the top 4 of what we have predicted. You can let us know through your comments, emails, tweets, whatever it is. Just let us know, and we would love to hear from you. And for the rest of the season, you will get to hear from us every night. After every match, who's going to be the pie checker of the match. So till then, thank you, and keep watching Pie Checkers Cricket Podcast. And yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.
I check it like you read Singh spelling it, yeah? I really don't mind.
You hit me once, I hit you back.
He's bowling like my Auntie Annie when she'd had too much sherry to drink.
Played over my head, then I set fire.
मैंने कहा बेटा बेटा होता है और बाप बाप होता है.